said, this is going to be the standardized version. So after he decided this is the standardized version, he burned all the other ones. Now, this raises an important question. If the Quran had always existed in only one perfectly preserved form, why was it necessary to destroy other copies and fragments? The traditional explanation is that Uthman wanted to prevent disputes over different readings and unify the Muslim community around a single standard text. However, the act of destroying alternative manuscripts also means that those earlier manuscripts are permanently lost to history. Because those manuscripts were burned, we cannot fully examine how they compare to the standardized text that survived. In general, when original documents are destroyed, it limits our ability to verify whether the surviving version is identical to the earlier ones. If someone claimed a book had never been changed, but we were told that earlier copies of that book had been burned, most people would naturally want to ask questions about what those earlier copies contained. Truth does not require the destruction of evidence to support it. When documents are preserved, scholars can compare them and confirm whether they match. Therefore, the historical record of Uthman ordering the burning of other Quranic manuscripts raises a legitimate historical question. How can we be certain that the standardized text is identical to every earlier version if those earlier versions were destroyed? If someone insists the Quran has never been changed, it is reasonable to ask how they account for this event in Islamic history.